Good day, and welcome to Financial Booklet. It is Saturday, January 3rd, 2026. I'm your host, here to bring you the latest factual developments shaping the financial landscape as we settle into the new year. Today, we are looking at significant geopolitical energy shifts in East Africa, new earnings data regarding social security, and a comprehensive look at the mixed signals coming out of the cryptocurrency markets as trading volumes adjust to the 2026 calendar. Let's get straight to the news. Starting with global energy and policy developments, Turkey has announced the launch of its first overseas deepwater exploration project off the coast of Somalia. This marks a significant expansion of Turkey's energy infrastructure and influence in the region. Back in the United States, new data has been released detailing earnings limits for Social Security in 2026. The reports clarify exactly how much income individuals can earn this year before facing reductions in early benefits. In broader economic policy, discussions continue regarding the housing market, with recent reports highlighting concerns that privatizing Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac could pose significant economic risks, with some analysts pointing to the potential for recessionary pressure. Additionally, the Federal Reserve has issued its latest FOMC statement, while the Trump administration has rolled out new details regarding its education policy, outlining 5 key pillars of the upcoming changes. Moving to the technology and equities sector, semiconductor equipment manufacturer ASML saw its stock price rise following new market data. Meanwhile, on Wall Street, analysts have released updated valuations for Amazon, projecting where the retail giant may stand 12 months from now. In the social media landscape, comparisons are being drawn between Meta platforms and Pinterest as analysts evaluate their respective performance outlooks for the coming year. On a lighter note regarding intellectual property, 2026 marks a shift for several cultural icons. As of this week, characters including Betty Boop and Blondie have joined Mickey Mouse and Winnie the Pooh in the public domain, opening them up for use without copyright restrictions. Turning our attention to the digital asset markets, we are seeing mixed performance metrics to start the year. Cardano's ADA token saw a 7% increase, while Bitcoin and Ether posted steady gains as traders position themselves for 2026. However, conflicting data has emerged regarding market cycles. Analytics firm CryptoQuant reported metrics suggesting that a crypto bear market technically began back in November, noting that Bitcoin whale accumulation has been overstated recently, with buying pressure actually coming from long-term holders rather than massive new entities. Furthermore, investors are awaiting a decision from MSCI regarding Bitcoin treasury companies, a move that could impact how corporate crypto holdings are classified in indices. There is also increased attention on Ethereum, with market observers watching to see if the asset breaks its recent volatility patterns. Finally, looking at the business side of crypto, security remains a headline topic. Reports reviewing 2025 have catalogued the year's largest security breaches, involving major platforms from Bybit to Coinbase. In legal news, Ilya Lichtenstein, involved in the Bitfinex hack, has been granted early prison release, crediting the First Step Act. On the corporate front, major exchanges like OKX are outlining their strategic roadmaps for 2026, while Trump Media has announced plans to distribute a new digital token to shareholders in a partnership with Crypto.com. These moves come as market participants navigate an evolving regulatory environment that is set to introduce new compliance standards throughout the year. That wraps up your financial market update for Saturday, January 3rd, 2026. As always, the stories covered today are for informational purposes only. For the full details and original reports on these stories, please check the resource links provided below. Thank you for watching Financial Booklet. We'll see you in the next update.